Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to install Signal on Linux, and I've done a video on this before. Previously it was for Debian based distros because those were the only instructions that Signal had here on their official website. Debian based distros including Ubuntu, Mint, Zorin, Pop! OS, but they now have official instructions for all other distros down here, and so we're in Fedora right now and we're going to go through these steps and see if we can get it installed. And please be aware I will post a link down below in the notes down in the video description to this page on Signal's website. For step one, we're going to copy this command, paste it in, hit enter, and then once that's completed, we're going to step two. Same thing, we're just going to copy the command, make sure to get the whole thing, paste it in, hit enter, and then step three, download signature and verify app image. We're going to copy the whole thing again, paste it in, hit enter. And after you run that command, this section right here, these are the things you're looking for. Signature made, we can see that is right here, gives a date, and then using this key, which is this key right here, you can see that they match. And then good signature from Signal, which is right here. And then a warning, please note the warning is normal and expected unless you've changed something manually concerning the key. And so at this point, we're going to step number 4, and we're going to again copy the command here, paste it in, hit enter. And now we have Signal up and running. Now, one thing you're going to notice, because this is an app image, if I actually close this window, it disappears. And if I go to search for Signal, it behaves as if it's not on the computer. So to fix this, what we're going to do is first open up a text editor. So just open up the search menu and type in text editor, and we'll use kwrite, and then we'll go file, new. And then you're going to paste the following into the text editor. Now, I will have this down in the notes, down in the video description. You can just copy it and paste it in. Notice right here, your username. You need to replace this with your username. Now, if somehow you don't know what your username is, come over here to the terminal, type in who am I, hit enter, and it will give you your username. And so we're just going to replace this with our actual username. There we go. Now for this to work, you need to verify that Signal is in the home folder. And so to do that, we're just going to open up the file manager. And here over on the left, if we click on home, we can see right here that we have Signal. And so this will work. And so at this point, we're going to go to file, save as. We're going to change the file name, and you want to set it to signal.desktop, no space at the end. And then we need to change the location, and so home, username, and then again, I'll have this listed down in the notes, but local share applications is where we want it to save. And then we're going to click on save. Now I just realized it's saved in the share folder because there is no applications folder. And so we're going to create an applications folder. We're going to use this command and hit enter. And then we need to move signal.desktop into that folder. We're going to use this command, and then we're going to verify that it moved, and it looks like it did. And so now if I close all this and go down to the search and type in Signal and open it, we can see it opens back up. Now, one thing you'll notice, if I actually pin Signal down here to the taskbar and then close it, we get this ugly icon. So we're going to see if we can fix that next. Let's go back to the terminal. We're going to type in this command and hit enter, and that extracts the icon from the app image. Next, we're going to find and copy the icon. So we're going to use this command first, followed by this one, and then this last command. And now that we ran that last one, if we go down to the search, let's first unpin this. Go down to the search for Signal. We can see it now has an icon here. We're going to click on it, and we've got Signal open. I'm just going to pin it for a moment and then close it, and we can see we still have the proper Signal icon. That is everything for this video, but if you do have any comments or questions, please post them down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider sharing it. And if you would like to support the channel, go ahead and hit that join button to become a member for as low as 99 cents a month, the thanks button, the subscribe button, or that bell notification icon to get notifications on future videos. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day.